In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Asos discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Asos discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called voucher codes and you'll have to open it. So right now I'm going to wait for the browser to verify me. So as you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this one with 10% of discount for your first order, all you need to do is select get code from right here. And this is the promo code. As you can see, you can simply tap right here to copy the promo code and you can apply this one on your first purchase in order to get that 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called couponfollow.com, and as you can see, we also have right here some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to save up to 20% of your next order, all you need to do is just tap on this offer right here, and as you can see, this is the promo code. You can simply select copy from right here, and you can copy this promo code and apply on your next order so that you can get a discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.